Mike, sir. No.
Mike taken.
Okay. Sir, Honorable Chairman, sir, I am very thankful to you for permitting me to participate in the debate on an important bill. Because firstly, I must congratulate the Honorable Law Minister, a young and dynamic Law Minister. It is not my compliment, it is the compliment of Honorable Chief Justice of India.
Oh, great.
On several meetings. So, in bringing this bill, but at the same time, the Honorable Law Minister must visualize the things what are going on. Many of the speakers spoke on the pendency of the litigation and also long wait, duration in disposal of the cases. For that purpose, being a member of legal fraternity, I wanted to bring it to the notice of the Honorable Law Minister. As far as subordinate courts are concerned, the system and procedure is different. And High Court and Supreme Court procedure is different. But for the subordinate courts are concerned, mostly based on civil procedure code and criminal procedure code. As for criminal jurisprudence is mostly depending on criminal law. That is criminal jurisprudence. Criminal law procedure code. There is some procedural aspects. Irrespective of the delay and irrespective of the courts supposed to and bound to follow the procedural law. Unless the procedural law is being amended, it is not possible to reduce the duration and disposal of the cases are concerned. The first every member is thinking about the delay on the part of the court. It's not like that. We must understand that there is a procedural aspect. Unless there is an amendments to the procedural laws, it is not possible. Number two, there are no judges in subordinate courts, number of judges. And there are no, infrastructure in the subordinate courts and high courts and Supreme Court. The Honorable Chief Justice of India, recently in several meetings, he used to speak about the establishment of National Judicial Infrastructure Corporation in the presence of the Honorable Law Minister. It seems that there is a roadmap laying on by the central government. Unless such corporation rather established, though the judiciary has got an independent judiciary called as no financial independent procedure as far as the funds are there with regard to their day-to-day function. The courts are bound to depend on the governments, either respect to state governments or central government. They are at mercy of the governments. So independent while delivering the judgments are concerned might be judiciary. The Honorable Law Minister, the then Law Minister, Mr. Arun Jaitley ji was speaking, post-retirement employments will produce and depending on prevail upon the pre-retirement judgments. That was the statement made by the Arun Jaitley ji on the floor of the House when Kapil Sibal was the Law Minister. So the same thing will apply to present also at the same time. But what is going on in the country at this time? It must be looked into. However, with regard to the coming to the subject is concerned, the proposed amendment to High Court judges and the Salaries and Conditions Service of the Act is concerned. Supreme Court shall, it seems being clarity issue on which the Supreme Court, High Court judges are entitled to additional quantum of pension and family member certainty is concerned. So, as the Law Minister is present, I wish to bring it to his knowledge about the huge pendency of the cases, High Court as well as the Supreme Court. I wanted to bring it to the notice of the Honorable Law Minister. Most of the cases, thousands of the cases which are pending before the courts are the delay on the part of the government, not on the part of the judiciary. Because in almost all the cases, in majority cases, the government is the main party, either the petitioner or the respondent. The government used to take time for filing counters, for getting instructions, for getting every procedure, every delay is caught on the part of the governments, either state government or central government. Under Article 226, under Article 136, and the Supreme Court exercising powers under Article 142. These things are only based on the decisions taken by the executive. Unless the decision taken by the executive is being questioned, there is no litigation at all. So the executive is giving scope for filing cases, thousands of cases are being. Why the executive did not take much care? While implementing, the parliament is legislating the acts, the implementation is enactments are by the executive, but it is checking and they are delivering justice by the judiciary. Is it not the duty of the government to take care of, to reduce the litigation and take appropriate decisions, and checking the decisions of the, a mechanism has to be established by the government to check the decisions of the executive and to rectify the defects in its level without approaching the court of law. That system is not there in the country. Unless that system is established by the government, there is no super checking. Every boss is a boss. If they take a decision, it's a decision binding on, it's an independent, it's forever. Is it not, does it mean it should not be questioned before the court of law? If it is questioned before the court of law, then the court will express some more certain opinions. For example, in Andhra Pradesh, most of the cases, the court reversed the judgments of more than 150 cases, decisions taken by the Andhra Pradesh government, irrespective of the merits of the case. But at that time, what happened? Some motives were attributed to the honorable judges. And social, let me speak. Why you are interfering? It's a judicial procedure. You have already spoken. Don't interfere. So many judgments are made, so many comments by the honorable judges. So many cases are also upheld by the Supreme Court. Since because of the over access of the judiciary, executive, then the courts interfered. The Supreme Court also confirmed in the same so many cases. Then they used to make comments on the judges in the social media. In the social media, the police did not take action. Then the court itself called the CBI and registered the case and inquired the cases, and the CBI forced it to file a cases against the, culprits. That the situation, pathetic situation is going on in the state of Andhra Pradesh. If the governments are acting like that, if the judiciary is not supposed to maintain independent judiciary, so therefore, it is high time to grant independent judiciary exclusively without any threat. Coming to the another aspect is concerned. Sir, recently I have seen that in the court of Rohini court, there was an attack on in the court itself. There is higher sir. Huh? Firing is concerned, there is Rohini. Still, the day before yesterday, last week also, a laptop was fired and bomb blasting is there. There is no security to the judges, and there is a threatening from the government. Like that, if the judges are functioning insecure feeling, how they will justice and deliver the judgments. So the government is expected to provide security to the judges also like politicians. Why they are excluding it? Sir, 1 minute, sir. The Honorable Chairman is so generous in granting time, and because being a member of the fraternity, kindly gave 2 minutes time, sir. Sir, mainly, why the pendency has been there, it is the duty of the government to protect the fundamental rights. When there is an excess of the government, by violating and curtailing the fundamental rights, then only the court will interfere. Why you are creating such an atmosphere in the country? Yes. It depends on that most of the police, they are supporting the rulers. They are not acting independently. That's why the problems arose. Though instead of constitution is the boss for everyone. But as far as the police is concerned, they are obliging the political bosses by violating the fundamental rights. Thereby litigation is more and more. So another thing is, sir, Andhra Pradesh is more particular that I will not say anything.
Thank you, Ravindra.
No. Don't interfere. Don't
Please,
interfere. Let me,
Ravindra
why you
Kumar
are
ji,
worrying?
please chair को address
Why
कीजिए.
you are worrying?
Please address the
No,
chair.
no. Why
Please
you are
address
so
the
much
chair.
afraid of it? No, why they are?
केवल जो रविंद्र कुमार जी बोलने वो रिकॉर्ड में जाएगा, बाकी कोई रिकॉर्ड में नहीं
Mr.
जाएगा. Please address the chair.
So they are
Please.
more very
you address the
worried
chair, please.
about the courts.
You address the
Because
chair,
they have taken all illegal
केवल
decisions
जो
in the
रविंद्र कुमार
court.
जी बोल रहे हैं वो केवल
And
रिकॉर्ड में जाएगा.
contrary to the act.
Nothing will go.
The-
केवल
they-
रविंद्र
they are
कुमार जी जो बोल
contrary
रहे
to the Andhra Pradesh government. is
Please address the
anarchism.
chair. Please
The
address
law
the
and
chair.
order and lawlessness is going
Please
on in the
address the
state of
chair.
Andhra Pradesh. Because of the decisions taken by the
Thank you,
honorable
Ravindra
Chief
Kumar ji.
Minister and the present
Thank you,
government.
thank
It is going on.
Thank you.
The lawlessness,
Next
because of
speaker.
the lawlessness and lawless
Srimati Vandana
anarchism
Chauhan.
in Andhra Pradesh.
Srimati
The Andhra
Vandana
Pradesh
Chauhan.
courts are interfering.
Please,
But because the
please.
decision taking
Please
in
sit
view
down.
of the capitals are concerned, they have taken, contrary to the decision taken by the Parliament Act, AP Reorganization Act, my
Srimati